Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enter your or add the new address to the Wolt Delivery application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should tap on the discovery button down below and tap on the enter address manually option. Here you can select from three options. You can either use your location, type in the new address, or browse the Wolt cities. Tap on the one indicated with a plus icon so that you can add the new address by typing it in manually. First select the country and then type in the street name and tap on continue. Then you should see your address at the top of the page. Then you can set your location type. You can add the address details including the building name, entrance or staircase, the floor, apartment, and here you can indicate how the delivery man can get in, either via the doorbell, door code, door is open, or other. Here you can add other instructions. You can indicate the entrance on the map and the address type and label. When you are done, click on the add address details option down below, tap on done, and basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.